In this video, we will show you how to change background color on Squarespace website. Background color on Squarespace website is based on your theme you use. So, to change the background color, you need to edit your design. First, you need to go to your blog page. And then, you need to go to design menu. And you can click site styles. And you can click color. And you can see here, if you hover in here, there is a like one theme that you use in here. Okay, to edit your background color, you need to edit this AA like one theme. So select this AA like one theme in here and you need to customize. Click this, and in here you need to set section background and select the custom color you want, and you can click save change after you're done, and this will make your background color change on your website using Squarespace. You can click save if you think this background color is better. In here I want to discard, and that's all tutorial how to change the background color on Squarespace website. Hope this video helpful for you.